Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how I made around $599 in a single day just servicing a very simple AI service. As you can see here we have a screenshot of my client actually paying me. They are from Australia. I cannot disclose the name of their company. You guys might start reaching out to them. So yeah, now the very interesting thing here was I didn't had a very unique offer, or I didn't had a no-brainer offer, or it's not like my sales skill are very good. The differentiating factor here was basically my start was very different, and hence my end was different from a lot of people who show how to sell AI services, right? So the very first thing was that this lead source was unique to me. What I mean by this is, for example, you have this best email copy, best subject line and everything, and then you send your lead this email copy, right? Now imagine if you have competitions who are also sending emails to the same client, even if your offer is no brainer, maybe their offer is also no brainer, and then it's kind of like going through them and then to your client. So your client is in a way very resistant, or your lead is very resistant to these offers. So now imagine if you just have a simple body copy, a simple subject line that directly goes to your client, at least it will be something like to them unique, you know. So that was the very first thing. You need to find a unique lead source. This can be anything. Like for example, you just go manually on website and scrape, or just like scrape every little email that you can find, and then you send emails to everything. Like you have to develop your own process. So my exact unique lead source, I cannot disclose that, because I'm not like the gurus on the internet who are like making money off of selling you these things. I actually make money from this. So this is my own income source. So even I do have like people in my community and stuff, I still make more from my agency than I from my community. So you need to find a unique lead source. I can give you a couple of examples. Like you can use a couple of email scrapers and individually go to these websites of your lead, and then scrape the all the emails that you can find, and then send them an email. Now the next thing, which is hyper personalization of the email. So when we get these lead source, it also shows what their intention was. So these the second thing about these leads are they are pretty warm as well. They already know about these things. So uh, the sales process is not in two-step. For example, when you reach out to a completely cold audience or a completely cold lead, you have to make some kind of awareness about your offer or service and how it will actually affect their business. For these leads that we get, they already know. So the sales process is not in two steps, rather it's just in one step. So we just have one step sales process because they are aware of their problem. So I knew about their problem, and I kind of like hit the jackpot because I specialize in AI voice agent connected with GoHighLevel CRM. So AI voice connection with GHL CRM. If you don't know what GoHighLevel CRM, it's like $1 billion company. You can white label this CRM and sell it as your own. And I see a lot on the internet, people are selling, that create all your workflow inside N8N, and then create a dashboard on Lovable and then connect both of those things. I strongly disagree with that position, because GoHighLevel is something, for example, you can get 14 days free trial using my link below. By the way, it's an affiliate link, so if you want to use it. If you don't, you may not. But I'll tell you this: you get 14 days free trial. You can use it as an anchor to get a client in 14 days. And GoHighLevel already have a lot of features that any business would want. So you can create automations there, website there. They also have AI agents, but I will say it's not that great. That's why I connect third-party AI agents with GoHighLevel CRM. And yeah, their website builder is not also that great, but you get the point. They have automations, they have the dashboard, they have the like database capability where you can store all your contacts and everything. And to be honest, like that is more visual, and when you are selling to a client, they really don't care how complex your make scenario is or how complex your N8N workflow is. What they want is visual, and they want data, right? So that thing you also have to keep in mind. But yeah, before we get into some kind of tangent here, the email was hyper personalized. I saw that he was talking about GoHighLevel. I just used it as an anchor, And since I have a YouTube channel, so I have a lot of social proof, I just sent him a very specific video from my YouTube channel, a very specific video that is on, like, it just shows how complex go high level structures or go high level systems I can create using AI voice agents or with AI voice agents. So I sent him that. He was pretty much impressed, and we directly booked an appointment. We just went back and forth on email, and yeah, I we like immediately we booked an appointment because I showed immediate value and understanding of their problem, and I showed them credibility as well by sharing my YouTube links. Yeah. Right. Now, the sales call itself was also very value driven. I'll tell you this. My client was using Sales Pro CRM, right? It's Sales Pro. And what is Sales Pro? I'll tell you this as well. Sales Pro is basically white labeled Go High Level, and they are charging per sub account $100, $97 or something like that. So my client have 3-4 businesses, so he was paying somewhere around $300 to $400 a month to Sales Pro. That is basically white labels, Go High Level. And I would like to show you one more point, or show you the potential that you can make just using Go High Level CRM and just white labeling it. So I will show you how much does, or let's just search like this, Sales Pro revenue, right? All right, so you can see Sales Pro, this CRM, that is nothing but white labeled Go High Level, makes $5.3 million annually. Now you can imagine there are so many agencies that have just white labeled Go High Level, and they are reselling it. And you pay Go High Level, when you want to resell it, you just pay Go High Level 297, and you can have unlimited sub accounts. So, and Go High Level doesn't even touch your money. It's all yours. You just have to pay them 297. And so I told the client about this. Now he's like on his own Go High Level, so he has control over all his data and everything. And on Go High Level, for 3 sub accounts, you just pay $97. And even before that, you can get like 14 to 30 days free trial if you use the link below. Now you can imagine you get 14 days trial, then you have to pay 97. Sometimes there are offers, so you just pay $49 a month. There are offers always going on for the software. So now you can see he was using the software for 2 years now. Now for rest of his life, or for the rest of his business career, he will use this, and he is saving around $100 $200 a month. That would be like $2,400 per annum. So that's a lot of saving just on softwares, right? So the sales call itself was very value driven. I just identified that he was overpaying. I told him, okay, you can do this. And then we talked about like switching from Sales Pro and switching to Go High Level software, and I even offered them that I will just help you migrate all the data from Sales Pro to Go High Level, in case Sales Pro guys there don't agree with your, like, if they don't easily give your data in an easy format where we can transport it to Go High Level. So, and then we negotiated. So here, then my client explained me everything about what he wants. To be honest, it was just Go High Level CRM and its integration with Retail AI. So Retail AI is basically AI voice platform where you can create AI voice agents that can talk just like a real human. Right now, I'm more so inclined toward using VAPI because the voices and the synthesis of voices. So there's one thing, the voice are realistic, but it's another thing when the voices have that emotion factor. So I'm seeing that VAPI came up with their own voices, and like what kind of synthesis they are using, I don't know, but it's generating the like audio or the voice of the AI agent hyper realistic. Like right now, you cannot tell difference, especially in VAPI. Retail is also quite good, but I would rank VAPI higher. But this particular client used retail, so we did it on retail. But yeah, he was like he already had the AI agent inside retail because he was playing around with it. It wasn't that good because after negotiation, he said like my AI agent is quite good. You just need to connect it. And when I actually started working, the agent wasn't that good, so I had to improve it. But to be honest, like, okay, all right, it just what it took me like 15 minutes because I have been doing this for 2 years. So you need to keep that in mind. When AI voice agents came out, I was one of the first people in the world, I think, who utilized it and serviced it for other businesses as a service because the first software that came out for AI voice agents was Air AI, but they died down, I think, because of not proper development, because they put a lot of money in, I think, sales and not the development of the actual software. A lot of people think Vappy was the first one. No, but it was Air.ai. But yeah, anyway, again, we are keep going on so many tangents. So yeah, basically, the price I suggested was $1,000, but I also realized it wasn't that much. I saw there was some friction there because of the price itself, because the client really wanted to get stuff done. He just didn't thought of that particular price to be justifiable. So yeah, again, we just negotiated, we came on this price, and then the client agreed. I think the same day or the next day, I don't remember properly, but we were just going back and forth on WhatsApp. When I say back and forth, it was like we were discussing how the project will be, and there was no other unnecessary discussion, or there was no friction on me from him or from me on him. So we basically agreed on everything. He was like, I just have to talk to my partner. He literally talked to him the same day. He told me we are ready and everything. I was like, okay. I think I was going to bed, so I told him, okay, let's talk about this tomorrow. But yeah, don't do this mistake. If your client is very warm and he's ready to pay, just take the payment, because I did make this mistake long time ago and lost a deal of like $3,000. So 3,300, because it was in payment plan. So I said like you have to pay $100 extra. So yeah, even if it's a small deposit, just take something upfront so you can anchor the client, because there is a psychological thing. If someone pays you once, they are more likely to pay you again and again. So that's the thing. So he just paid me. I showed you the screenshot, and then I just deliver, and I built this solution is in like an hour. And then again, after building it, there are some iterations. You go back and forth with your client, but the main bulk work was done like in an hour. It was very simple for me because I've been again working in this for 2 years. But it doesn't have to be. You don't have to work for 2 years. Like you can watch on my YouTube channel all the videos that I have there. Like I openly show everything. I don't hold back because I definitely think information should be free. And you will see this on my communities as well, because in my communities, I try to provide value. Either I make it completely free. So one of my community is 100% free. All you have to do is use my GoHighLevel affiliate link. So the reason I make people use the GoHighLevel affiliate link is I don't want anyone to join it. If you just make it free, then the video editors are joining, the marketers are joining, the SMMA guys are joining, and then they are just pitching each other, and it becomes, very worse, like how the free Facebook groups are. So I have to monitor, like, people who are using GoHighLevel, they can really benefit inside of it, because I have very intensive knowledge in GoHighLevel and AI agents in general. I do use N8N as well, so that's the thing. But I anchor it with GoHighLevel because it is one of the very famous CRM, and a lot of people use it. It's a billion-dollar company. So, and I genuinely think all these people who are trying to start an AI agency, they should just use GoHighLevel as their own CRM and say that, okay, this is my own CRM, because you can white label it and resell it. You have permission from GoHighLevel, so you are not doing anything wrong or illegal. So you can do that. I run my entire agency on GoHighLevel, and everything is on GoHighLevel. To give you an example, if I just open my website, you know, so you can see this like pretty cool website. I like, okay, the website builder isn't that great as something like, AI website builders, but uh, like you cannot disagree that this is a very bad website. I have my calendar link. Now, all of this, like complete website and everything, is on one platform. That's GoHighLevel. Like GoHighLevel also provides calendar, so I can use that calendar as well. But I prefer to use Calendly because I have been using Calendly way before. So, for example, this form is inside GoHighLevel. If I fill out, or my client or someone, a lead, fill out this form, they fill out the website from inside of GoHighLevel. this website gets scraped. I'm not even using some tool like N8N. From inside of GoHighLevel, the GoHighLevel automations are also very powerful. Like from this form and the CRM GoHighLevel, this client's website automatically gets scraped. The data get inside an OpenAI node inside GoHighLevel. Again, we are not leaving GoHighLevel. And then from there, it creates a knowledge base, and it triggers retail AI to make a phone call to this particular person who has filled out the form. And this AI act as like an employee in their company with the knowledge of their website and everything. So all this just to software. And I can go to any client and show them a dashboard, really good looking, dashboard to them. And that is what they are going to buy, because just think about it. If you just go and try to sell N8N workflow, how are you going to sell it? That's my question. Like, how exactly are you going to sell it? Like, what is your selling point when you say that, you know, you have this system? Like, a system should be easy to understand for your client, because it's them who you are selling to. If you understand, it doesn't make any difference. They need to understand it. So yeah, basically service delivery, happy client. I had literally $599 of profit because it is just 1 hour worth of work. Why should I hire someone and give them? One more thing I just want to cover quickly is I see a lot of people, especially the gurus on the internet, telling you that you don't have to do anything. You just figure out a way to sell, even if you haven't done it yourself. I don't know how you will sell it. And then you can just hire someone from India or South Asian country or Philippines, and then they will do the service delivery. I just find it very stupid. My father told me one thing. It was very simple. Before opening a restaurant, you need to know how to do dishes. Just keep that in mind. If you will see any real successful AI gurus on the internet who have made real money with their AI agency and not selling you a course, they will tell you that you need to do it first. You need to do everything first, from lead generation to sales. Okay, I understand maybe you're not that good at sales. You can slowly hire someone, but if you haven't done it yourself, how you will understand who is good for that position? So that's the thing. I think that was all for the video. As I was saying something about my uh, community, I have one completely free community that you can join using Go High Level affiliate link, or you can join my one-on-one coaching. So I am giving my time one-on-one, like guiding you all the way through. For that, I'm definitely going to charge, because I'm not just giving you a course or a videos and I'm telling you, okay, watch these videos and go on your own. I'm literally giving you my time. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video as well. And that was all for this video. Wait for the next one.